Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. If our ideas transformed into a path of wisdom, that would be like a rock transforming into gold. We are primordially pure, so we do not transform to be without a quest. To be without a quest is the space of primordial Buddhahood. Our heart essence is a self-originating clear light. Buddhas and sentient beings are not a duality. There are contrivances on the path, but we do not transform. The uncontrived Dharmakāya has been present from the primordial. It is like the heart of a Vajra sun. From the primordial, our awareness is a clear light. We are beyond dualistic dharmas. We abide in great bliss, naturally. Pathways, as well, are either paths of words or paths of meanings. To hope for them is the true essence of a ground for deviation, the great nobility of peaceful abiding. We use the doors that are exemplified in the paths of words for the unspeakable wisdom of the path of meanings, and we see that this is an unspeakable wisdom. When things are clearly like that, it is the path of meanings. The mandala of our clarity has no center or edge. It is nothing at all. It is just that way. The three bodies are pervasively encompassing by nature, while it is the nature of our intellects to think that we do not pervade anything at all. In the unspeakable and self-originating essence of our hearts, there is no dharma with which we may crave visible signs. Without contrivance, our self-luminosity is undistracted. This is a path that it is meaningful to abide on. To hold onto parts as being clear or unclear, and to take the parts to be peaceful abiding and higher seeing, then there being a gradual arising of wisdom, this is a path that has meaning for what we are looking for. There are the 8 stages of the vehicles that cling to positions. We settle into the equanimity of our own ideas. We use our ideas about our craving to hold on to positions, as a path where we attend to our ideas. There are those for whom dharmas of duality exist. They cling to the parts of their hopes and fears.